Alright guys, welcome to part 3 of that video. So just showing you guys how easily that went in. Now we have these two all set, ready to go. Let's open up Coca-Cola. Oh my gosh. If you guys didn't know, I'm a fan of Coca-Cola. That's why I'm in the process of building the first Coca-Cola plane. We already have a VR boat. But hey, this is cool. This is so cool. I wish I could make stuff like this that's injected molded too. We'll just have to settle for 3D printing that nobody loves. I don't know. When you try to give people free 3D printing stuff and nobody takes it. But anyway, luckily, there is injected molded systems, and this rubber is really nice. You know, it's strong.
Likey